Why does the detector just beeps all the time? Alright, so your detector is going off like crazy, and you're wondering why. Well, there are about 12 reasons this could be happening, and they fall into 4 main categories: environmental interference, detector settings, user operation, and physical interference. In this video, we'll walk you through each of these 12 reasons and, more importantly, show you how to fix them so you can get back to finding treasure instead of just noise. Without further ado, let's dive in. The reason 1 is using your detector indoors. Indoor environments are full of various metal objects that may interfere with metal detectors, such as reinforced concrete walls, Wi-Fi transmitters, air conditioners, televisions, and so on. Your detector will pick up all sorts of signals that aren't your target. To fix this, please only use your detector outdoors. Second up, electromagnetic interference could be the culprit. Devices such as transformers, weather, passing cars, smartphones, smartwatches, or other detectors nearby can interfere with your detector. To fix this, when you're out hunting, make sure to turn off or move away from these devices to avoid any unwanted interference. Also, keep others at least 6 feet away from your detector. Number 3. If you're in a mineralized area, your detector might be overwhelmed. Ground minerals such as mineral salts, livestock urine, fuel coke, rock, and other conductive materials may trigger false signals from the detector. If you're detecting in areas like these, your detector might pick up on the minerals instead of actual targets. To fix this, adjust sensitivity to minimize interference. Search slowly and adjust settings as needed. Digging is not recommended unless the signal is clear and persistent. Fourth reason, your detector can pick up salt and think it's metal. Salt water and wet sand are another big challenge. If you're hunting near the ocean, you might notice a lot of false signals. Seawater is highly conductive and can produce strong signals similar to metal. To fix this, it is recommended that you reduce the sensitivity to true and search and discrimination mode. And number 5, sometimes it's the air that's tricking your detector. When the air humidity is too high, or water penetrates into the control box, the performance of the detector may be affected, resulting in erroneous signals. Sixth reason, sensitivity set to high. Sensitivity settings can also cause trouble. If your detector is picking up too many false signals, it might be too sensitive. To fix this, if the interference is not strong, try lowering the sensitivity. But don't go too low, or you might miss smaller targets. Adjust it until you're getting clear signals without too much noise. If the interference is too strong, the only thing that will help is to move away from the source. Seventh reason, low battery alert. Battery issues are another thing to watch out for. If your detector is giving erratic signals or shutting down unexpectedly, it could be a battery problem. To fix this, check to make sure the batteries are fully charged. Here's number 8. Loose cable swinging. Poorly connected cables or loose wires swinging in the air can cause the detector to recognize the copper cores inside the wires and give false signals. The cable should be wrapped around the rod. Make sure it is securely installed. Ninth reason, pendulum-like swinging. If the detector is swung like a pendulum, it may cause the detector to recognize signals outside the detection area and false beeps will appear. Correct swing. Keep the coil close to the ground throughout the swing. Avoid lifting the coil at the end. Slow down the swing speed to capture deeper targets. Overlap the swing path to ensure complete coverage. Reason 10. Got metal on you. That belt buckle or jewelry could be setting off your detector. Take off all metal objects before you start. This includes keys, jewelry, metal on shoes, belts with metal buckles, and certain glasses. This helps to minimize unwanted beeps and improves the sensitivity accuracy of the detector. Next up, number 11. Hitting tree branches or rocks with your coil. That'll definitely cause some false signals. Due to physical collisions, the finely tuned transmit and receive coils within the coil are temporarily out of balance, resulting in error signals. To avoid this, try to keep your search area clear or be extra careful when detecting in these areas. A slower, more methodical sweep can help too. Number 12. dirt or debris on your coil or connector. Please clean the sounder at the end of each treasure hunt, especially after being in the sea or going down to the sea. Make sure to rinse your equipment clean. Don't leave the dirt for the next treasure hunt. We hope these solutions clear things up for you. And if you ever need a hand, our customer support team is always ready to help you out.